Psalm 16. Preserve me, O El, for in thee do I put my trust. O my soul, thou hast said unto Yahuwah, Thou art Yahuwah. My virtue is not without thee. But to the saints that are in the earth, and to the excellent, in whom is all my delight. Their sorrows shall be multiplied that hasten after another Elohim. Their drink offerings of blood will I not offer, nor take up their names unto my lips. Yahuwah is the portion of mine inheritance and of my cup. Thou manifestest my lot. The lines are fallen unto me in pleasant places. Yea, I have a goodly heritage. I will bless Yahuwah, who hath given me counsel. My reins also instruct me in the night seasons. I have set Yahuwah always before me, because he is at my right hand. I shall not be moved. Therefore my heart is glad, and my glory rejoiceth. My flesh also shall rest in hope. For thou wilt not leave my soul in hell, neither wilt thou suffer thine Holy One to see corruption. Thou wilt show me the path of life. In thy presence is fullness of joy. At thy right hand there are pleasures forevermore.